The Florida Department of Transportation's 23rd Street Flyover Project bridge superstructure is constructed using steel tub girder and pre-stressed concrete U-beams. The bridge superstructure will allow US 98 travelers to fly over the Bayline Railroad, 23rd Street, Collegiate Drive, and Seaport Drive. Bringing these 100 to 250,000 pound girders and beams to the project site is carefully planned. Each beam is individually transported to the work zone using specialized semi-trailer trucks. Once these massive steel tub girders and concrete U-beams are set in place, construction of the bridge deck surface begins. The bridge deck provides an elevated roadway surface for the overall bridge system while supporting traffic loads and distributing the weight throughout the superstructure and substructure. Bridge deck construction begins with contractors setting and attaching mounting brackets to pre-stressed concrete U-beams and steel tub girders. These mounting brackets attach to an angled metal strip in preparation for placement of stay-in-place deck forms or deck pans. Stay-in-place deck forms are corrugated metal sheets designed to form the bottom grade of the roadway and support the weight of the reinforcing steel and concrete. Deck pans are set on steel angle rails attached to hardware to form a railing for deck pan placement. Contractors then use screws to securely attach the deck pans in place. In addition to deck pan placement on top of each steel tub girder and pre-stressed concrete U-beam, deck pans are placed in between the beams. The underside of these in-between deck pans is coated with a specialized sealant material to prevent corrosion. The next step in bridge deck construction is the tying and placement of deck reinforcing steel or rebar. To form the bridge deck, two rebar mats are placed on top of each other and separated by a chair. Each layer of reinforcing steel is called a mat and is constructed using steel reinforcing bars tied together with steel wire ties per a predetermined blueprint. The rebar mats are separated by a chair. A chair is continuous steel placed in between each rebar mat to create an approximately 8 1/2 inch thick finished concrete deck. Proper placement of deck rebar mats is important to achieving the desired strength of the roadway. This process makes the beam and the deck concrete a single unit and serves as a bridge deck reinforcement. You can follow the 23rd Street Flyover's construction progress on Facebook and Instagram at My 23rd Street Flyover, or for more information, contact the Florida Department of Transportation District 3 Public Information Office.